Our final fall training phase for developmental 2 baseball athletes focused on partial range of motion training and concentric strength development. Strength gains are specific to the range of motion you train in, and most sporting actions like hitting, pitching, or running are completed in relatively shallow joint angles. By using a range of motion in an exercise that is closer to the specific sporting action we're trying to improve, there is a greater chance of improving force output at those joint angles and increasing the level of transfer to sport. Concentric strength training, or the raising part of the rep, has a very different effect on muscle than the eccentric or lowering phase. Concentric strength training results in greater increases in pennation angles of muscle fibers. Greater pennation angles means more muscle fibers packed in the same space in parallel, resulting in increased force generating capabilities, compared to eccentric focused training, where we see increased fascicle length as a result of increasing muscle fibers in series. As a result of these differences in muscle architecture adaptations, we see larger increases in distal hypertrophy, or the furthest end of the muscle with eccentric training, and better growth in the middle portion of the muscle with concentric training. A final factor to consider is that concentric biased and partial training will incur less muscle damage and fatigue than eccentric methods performed at longer muscle lengths.